June the 7th. Where is God, my Maker, who gives songs in the night? Job chapter 35, verse 10. Do you ever experience sleepless nights, tossing and turning and simply waiting for the first glimmer of dawn? When that happens, why not ask the Holy Spirit to fix your thoughts on God, your Maker, and believe He can fill those lonely, dreary nights with song? Is your night one of bereavement? Focusing on God often causes Him to draw near to your grieving heart, bringing you the assurance that He needs the one who has died. The Lord will assure you He has called the eager, enthusiastic spirit of your departed loved one to stand with the invisible, yet liberated, living and radiant multitude. And as this thought enters your mind, along with the knowledge that your loved one is engaged in a great heavenly mission, a song begins in your heart. Is your night one of discouragement or failure, whether real or imagined? Do you feel as if no one understands you and your friends have pushed you aside? Take heart. Your Maker will come near to you, James chapter 4, verse 8, and give you a song of hope, which will be harmonious with the strong, resonant music of His providence. Be ready to sing the song your Maker imparts to you. What then? Shall we sit idly down and say, the night has come, it is no longer day? Yet as the evening twilight fades away, the sky is filled with stars, invisible to the day. The strength of a ship is only fully demonstrated when it faces a hurricane, and the power of the gospel can only be fully exhibited when a Christian is subjected to some fiery trial. We must understand that for God to give songs in the night, He must first make it night. Nathaniel William Taylor.